Hello, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sneha Fernandez and I create content about fashion and beauty. So today we are gonna talk about two products which I've been using from last few weeks. It's more than like 3 or 4 weeks, and I would like to give you my honest review about this. Right now I'm in my 30s, so I started adding new products in my skincare routine. So the two things which I recently added, I would like to tell you about those. The first thing I added was the retinol. So retinol is the type of vitamin A which helps you to fight with your aging signs like fine lines, or you have those brown age spots, wrinkles or smile lines, or that baby bumps or dull skin with comes with a age and all. So who can use retinol? Okay, the people who are about 25 or 27 can use retinol, and you should always start with a very minimum quantity or whatever percentage. You can go through a lot of videos online on YouTube, and you can get to know about retinol better. So if you have acne prone skin, so you have to be very careful what you apply on your skin. So the first thing, I was very clear that I don't want to overdo with all the products or new products in my routine. So I just kept very simple. You can check that in my previous videos. You will get to know what is my skincare routine. And the retinol I started using, there are a lot of retinols, you get a list of multiple retinols, but the one I like, it's the Conscious Chemist. It's for the skin booster, which is skin renewing retinol night serum. Okay, so this was for 0.2% retinol peptides complex, and it's a fragrance free. I got it from Amazon. It costed me around 649 rupees. Currently it's on a sale, so you can get it for less. And see, I've been using for a month. Actually I use twice a week, not more than that actually, because I'm just starting out with it, and it has given me a good results within 2 uses, to be frank. My skin looks very fresh. In the morning when I wake up and look at myself in the mirror, I feel pretty, without any makeup, without washing your face or anything like that. When you see yourself, there's a little bit different. It's not drastic difference, but there's a little bit. Your skin looks fresh, little bit glowing, and you can see something has healed in that particular night. So it's a very good product. You can do your research and check with your dermat, and then you can try and using this. The next product I want to talk about is quite a famous product. Actually everybody is talking about it. Because of those everybody, I bought this product. It's Foxtail, the Diva Overnight Glow Mask, and it has AHA plus PHA Pro Vitamins B. It's for all skin type. I got it from Amazon. I got it for like 595 rupees. Okay, so let me tell you very quickly about this product. This product does work on your skin. It does give you a glow next day, and your skin looks very pretty. But let me tell you one more thing, that glow doesn't last long. You apply it last night, today you see my skin very glowing in the morning till afternoon, till the evening, and the next day your glow fades away. This product does work for the overnight glow only. It gives you that particular glow, and even not even tone. I mean, no product can give you even tone within a 1 or 2 weeks. So but it does gives you a very nice skin next day. So does this product work? Yes, it does. It does give you the overnight glow what they claim for. And whatever the items I have shown you, I have personally used it, and it did work on my skin. And if you have a similar skin type like me, then you can give it a try. You might like it. I will link all the information in the description box, and if you want, you can just go on Amazon, go on their website, and buy these products. And if you like this content, if you like this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe my channel, so I can it motivates me to make more videos. So thank you and have a wonderful day. I'll meet you in my next one. Bye bye.